Greetings, fellow life forms. Welcome to the second part of the project Bilskirnir, and today we will actually start to print. So, just like with the O'Neill, we will take it slow, and today we will actually take a look only at the top subassembly. So, all those top parts. So let's introduce the model. So as you can see, the first part is held together with the second via those two logs, and it also has um, this how to say it. I don't really know how to call this, but I will show you a section, and maybe you will know how to actually call it. Here we have this part is shaped like this, and it's simply to actually uh, ensure the position of this part. Yeah, so it has 45 degrees draft, and uh, it's only there to actually uh, position correctly the first piece. Anyway, then we have the second part. It's divided only because it will not fit into my printer in one piece, so that is why it is divided. Then we will have both side wings that, as you can see, go through locks here and then here, but we did not take a look at those parts yet. Uh, they have preparing for all those details and the guns. And then we have those two massive pieces that, uh, as you can see from the bottom, are connected together and go through to this piece. And of course, are connected to the side wings. And not just that, as you can see here, we have this secondary part from different color, and those wings part have two pins, and the gray part have corresponding holes, so it will snap together, and then these pieces will go right onto those silver parts, and then it will all clap together. So, and yeah, and last but not least, I mainly almost forgot. Then we have this piece as well, which, as you can see here, we have two rectangle pegs and lock here and here, and the part has corresponding holes and locks. So everything should fit together pretty nicely. Though those locks, as you can see, they have uh, point 0.05 tolerance. So there is a little bit of looseness. However, if you consider that, then in the next video we will actually attach all those pins and attach the bottom part. Then it should stay together quite nicely and should be quite sturdy. Okay, so those are all the pieces that we need to print. I will print those wings and obviously these two parts with support material. This because of the openings here. The These parts obviously has to be printed with the layer because of this, because yeah, they have this offset. And yeah, I also will print this piece with supports. I theoretically don't need to, but I will do it because of this opening for the lights. Simply because if I don't use supports, then the this ceiling, I guess, may collapse a little bit, and I have to insert the lights there. So yeah. Okay, so that's it. And I guess model wise that's all, so let's get straight to the printing.
Okay, so here we have all the printed parts. So now let's go assemble it. So we will take this part and simply insert it here. Now we will take these two parts and simply insert them like this. But before that we take those silver parts and insert them inside from both sides like this. Okay, now we will take those parts, move it a little bit, and we have those locks, so we insert it here and here. And now, yeah, it doesn't hold on its own, but now we have those holes that goes to those pins, and we simply insert it into place. Okay, and now that is in there, we will take this part and simply slide it. Here we have two sliders and pegs, so okay. Now on its own it doesn't hold that great because it's obviously just 1/2. So like this it does, but we obviously need all those pegs here and the bottom part to fix everything together. But now it doesn't, so yeah, so I will simply lie down and yeah. So yeah, this is the top part of the Bilskirnir class. Okay, so I guess that's all for now, and we will see each other in the next video. Okay, then have a very nice day and bye bye.